Sarah, I vow to pursue you every day, to completely love you, completely, fiercely, and courageously, all the days of my life. I vow to share my everything with you, holding nothing in secret, share all my dreams, all my ideas, and even my honey soy chicken. I vow to remind you that you are worthy of love, and to challenge and encourage you into God's best. I vow to be kind even when I'm mad, and to be caring even when I'm grumpy. And finally, I vow to laugh at your jokes almost as much as I laugh at my own. I love you.
My love, Jono. Today standing before you is not the same girl that you took out on a hang 2 years ago. It's because of your love, kindness, thoughtfulness, faithfulness to both me and God that I've experienced since knowing you, that I can say I've been changed for the better. So today in front of our family, friends and God, I wish to make these vows to you so that I can finally be single no more and call you my husband. Jono, I promise that every day I will make the conscious decision to love you. And on the days when we find it harder to make that decision, I will do everything in God's strength to remind us both why we made these vows today. I first fell in love with your thoughtfulness when you brought me that drink bottle to replace the one you ruined, and you even filled it with water. So I promise to return that thoughtfulness throughout our marriage and to help teach it to our future children too. I promise to accept you for who you are and who God is leading you to be. Painful jokes and, gotta cross that word out, gaming and all. I promise to laugh with you more than I laugh at you, to stand by your side and support you, to sleep in your arms, to be joy to your heart, to provide food for your stomach and even let you cook sometimes too. I promise to always encourage you to dream and be there to comfort you if those dreams don't go to plan. You have opened my eyes to a different kind of love and taught me to love better. I'm so thankful for you and will continue to thank God for you every day. Making all these promises is easy, but I know keeping them will be hard. So the final promise I make to you is to always continue pursuing God with you, because it will be by His grace, love and mercy that will carry us day by day for the rest of our days on earth. I love you and I can't wait until the ceremony is over so we can be married already. I love you.